Here are 3 easy ways to take colostrum. Colostrum can come in a capsule form as well as a powdered form, and I take the powdered form. Now with this, I actually take it and put it in with yogurt or make it in a shake. It gives anything you add it to a more frothy or full flavor or creamy texture to it. Now it does come from milk, so for those of you who are avoiding dairy, it may not be for you. So right now, Equip is having a 15% off, and if you would like with free shipping, you can click on the link below. Now I also add some other supplements to it. Now be careful with this one. This one is actually a probiotic called Lactobacillus fermentum. This specific probiotic strain actually helps with glutathione productions in your body. I also take it with ProShield Max because it does have raspberry and mulberry fruit powder in it. That also helps your skin, even out skin tone and brightening agents, as well as raspberry ketone is a DHT blocker. So it actually helps with hair loss. So I mix it all together in there, and it does have a slightly berry flavor. Now remember, whenever you're using a powdered form of anything, you have to make sure that you have to mix or blend really well. Otherwise, you can risk getting clumps. The second way is adding it to a blender like a protein shake, an ice cream shake. You can even add it to your ice cream recipe or frozen yogurt recipe before it goes into the blender. The third way is a salad dressing. Here is a honey lime ginger dressing, and as you saw with the frothy bubbles there, it makes it a little bit more creamy without adding any actual milk or mayo to it. If you're interested in the colostrum, the link will be in the description below. Thank you for watching.